The theme that we have chosen today is a hitchhiker's guide to building digital innovation leadership within an industrial context. For our webinar, we are leaning on Douglas Adams' comedy science fiction series, as our topic is about the future of industrial digital innovation.
So let's talk about leadership roles and leadership challenges in the digital age. De facto, digitalization is more a leadership challenge than anything else. When we work with our clients and look at what is driving the requirement for change leadership, we typically see three major drivers that also lead to three changing behaviors that we perceive in leadership of the future.
And as a market leader and innovation leader, we ask ourselves, how can we sustain that change momentum of the last decades in the digital world? And therefore, 3 years ago, we created a digital ambition as a kind of northern star for the whole organization, but also for our customers and the society, in order to explain where we are heading to in the next 3 to 5 years.